Hi everyone, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. My name is Kimberly C. Camillier, and I will be talking about employing appropriate communicative styles. Later on, you will learn more about what are those communicative styles. What are the different types of communicative styles? Are you ready? Yes, I guess you are ready. So let's go to the next page. Now we have here the agenda. Okay, this lesson focuses on the use of different communication styles. Okay, for various situations. So again, you will use those different communication styles in various situations. So this also deals with speech styles, portraying how the language is characterized in terms of degree of formality. Now, these styles include casual, formal, consultative, frozen, and intimate. Now, what are these words? Okay, what are these casual, formal, consultative, frozen, and intimate? Okay, later on we will discuss more about those things. Now, let's go here first. What is communication? I know that you have a lot of ideas what is a communication, but here in the picture, as what you can see, communication styles, okay, across multiple teams. How do we communicate? What kind of style was must we use or we must use, okay, in different kinds of situation? So later you will see those or learn more about those styles. Now, what is communication? Okay, communication is the imparting or interchanging of thoughts, opinions, or information among people by speech, writing, or signs. Again, you can use speech, you can use it into writing, and maybe you can use signs or gestures when talking. Okay, so those are again imparting or interchanging of thoughts, opinions, or information. Now, here, speech style is a communicative style which portrays how a language is characterized in terms of degree of formality. Presented on the next slides are different types of communicative styles. Okay, first we have casual. Now, this is the most famous, okay, famous informal language used by friends and peers. Famous communicative style. Okay, uses slang, vulgarities, and colloquialism, informal contractions, etc. Now we have here an example. Ain't gonna lie. Okay, ain't or gonna. I I don't know. I'm gonna go to. Okay, so those are contractions. When we say contractions, brief, okay, from the long word, we will make it into a smaller one. We will contract for this one. Instead of saying I don't know, you will say I don't know. Okay, for I'm going to or I'm going to go to, so you can say gonna, okay, are normal in this type of speech style. Now, in casual, you cannot say to your boss or to your superior about, yeah, I'm gonna go to, I gonna go to like this and like that. So it's more on casual things. Okay, when you use these contractions, slang, vulgarities, colloquialism. Okay, now this uses group language, so only members of the group can understand it. Okay, here, nicknames are used in addressing one another. Okay, so usually when you uh, communicate to your friends, hey, bestie, hey, what's up? Okay, so those what's up, those yo, okay, those are the words that we can use in casual. Now we have other examples here. Now, for example, everyday conversation with buddies or friend, best friend, okay, or partner in life if you have. Okay, a personal message and personal emails, blogs, tweets, letters to friends, phone calls, etc. So those are examples of casual. Now let's go to the next communicative style. Now we have here consultative. What is consultative and how do we use this? So this is used in semi-formal communication where sentences tend to be shorter and spontaneous. It happens in two-way participation, and this is the normal style for speaking to strangers or persons who are neither acquaintances nor friends nor relatives. Okay, so for example, you will consult to a student, will consult to the teacher, student will consult to the guidance counselor, or maybe the patient consult to the doctor. Okay, so those um, kind of normal style, speaking style, is not really long, but it tends to be shorter and more spontaneous. Okay, now here are some examples of consultative. We have the first one, regular classroom discussions, doctor patient, lawyer client, counselor client, or group discussion, teacher student, expert apprentice. Okay, now let's move on. Let's go to formal. Okay, when we say formal, formal speeches are straightforward speeches. It is used in speaking to large groups and is impersonal in nature. Now, speaker must frame whole sentences ahead before they are delivered. What do we mean by this? They will think in advance what are those words that they will say before saying it. Okay? It avoids using slang terminologies and uses formal English. Now, language is comparatively rigid and has a set. Okay, and agreed upon vocabulary, structured complex sentences and nouns. Now, what are those formal styles? We have here interview, sona, welcome address or address, announcements, orations, scholarly books, articles, research papers, technical reports. Okay, those are formal. So now that's all of my slides. So if you want to learn more, you can search in the Google or in the internet. So that's all. Goodbye, everyone. Have a good day.